2018, 2019. Mo bá wọn lọ bank. Èmi ni driver wọn. So, Ọ̀yẹ́, Ìfàkì àti Ìgèdè Ẹ̀yìn. Mo bá wọn lọ. Wọ́n fún mi lówó. Owó tán rí mi àwọn fún mi lówó sà. Báǹkì Ọ̀yẹ́ wọ́n fún mi ní as a driver wọ́n fún mi ní 1,500,000. Tí Ìfàkì wọ́n fún mi ní 2,500,000. Tí Ìgèdè wọ́n fún mi ní 1,450,000. Mo transport ni mo ń ṣe. Mo fi ṣe transport. Mo fi ra bus. Mo fi ń ṣe because mo ń cross. Mo máa ń ṣe rice. So along the lines àwọn custom náà gba gbogbo rice àti mọ́tò yẹn lọ́wọ́ mi. Mo wá wa trailer. Mo tí mo fi ní pé inú mi ò dùn pẹ̀lú condition tí mo wà yẹn.
Ọmọ bíbí ìlú bo ni yín?
Ọmọ Ìṣẹ̀yìn Ekiti ni mí sà.
On 9th of June 2023, upon a credible tip-off, the Command Rapid Response Squad arrested one Dele Ajayi, Ifeanyi Emmanuel, Ṣẹ́gun Fọlọ́runṣọ́, Raymond Hamilton Francis, Godwin Emeka, and Odiri Isaac, aka Zion, all in Ikorodu, Lagos State, for their involvement in several robberies involving Union Bank, Igede, Ekiti in 2018, First Bank, Ifaki, Ekiti in 2018, UBA, Oye, Ekiti in 2019, and Wema Bank in 2020. It equally involved Access Bank, as well as other banks that have been robbed within the state. The same gang was equally involved in the kidnapping of one Olowo Babaji at Ikoti, Ekiti on 29th of January 2020. The said victim had identified the suspects who equally confessed to these alleged crimes. However, following the confession of the suspects, one Shola Ayeni was arrested in Iloro, Ekiti, as well as one Aremu Olusegun Adibayo, aka Senior Boy, at Ijeru, Ekiti, who were allegedly identified as members of the dreaded gang.